Announcements. So, Pat, that Wistful Wednesday, everyone.
First, go check and make sure what time you're.
Ben and Wesley.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Nat.
What?
Good morning, Rahan. Good morning, Aubrey. Good morning, Patterson. How are you guys? Y'all good? Yeah? Y'all ready for today? Wesley, is Finn in a good mood today? Yeah, no, not today. What's up, Tom?
We already had breakfast already.
You already had breakfast? Wow. Go ahead, you can tell me your question. Oh. Oh.
Then actually I actually wanted someone to say hi to him. Morning.
You did. Good morning, Lucas. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, Sadaf.
Morning.
How are you guys today?
Good.
Good. It was good to see some of y'all yesterday when y'all were picking up your shirts.
I'm coming. Hang on 1
If
second.
you didn't get to do your shirt today or yesterday, I will be doing the same thing on Thursday. So if you have time on Thursday, if not, I will leave the shirts at the front. But it was very good to see everybody. Yes, Aubrey.
It's today library day.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about that because you're not going to have a RAS kids assignment because it's library day and because I have something else that I'm going to have you guys work on, but it's on the Schoology. So I will talk about that too. But thank you. That's a yes. Today is library time. Hi, Layla with an E. What's up?
Today's my birthday.
I know your name was on the announcements. So you need to watch the announcements that they put out on Schoology so you can hear him say your name because it was pretty cool. And I loved your headband. That's really cute.
Thank you.
Yes, Lucas.
There's 6 more days. There's 6 more days. There's 6 more days. My mom's birthday.
Wow, you can do all that's awesome. Nat, how's your mom feeling? Is she feeling better?
Better. Yes.
How are you feeling?
But where's the bubble?
What?
Where is the bubble to pick up the t-shirts?
Oh, it's right. We call it the bubble, but it's right when you walk into those doors. You'll see me, like right when you enter the building. I'll be sitting on the bench right there.
Okay, so the front door is where the students go into school normally.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we call.
Okay.
I'm sorry, we call
Gotcha.
it the bubble, and I'll be there on Thursday from 12 to 12:30.
Okay, we'll see you then.
Awesome! I'm excited. It was really cool to see everybody. Hey, Layton. Hey, Nathan. Good morning, Heather. Good morning, Aiden. Sadaf, did you have a question?
I forgot to tell my mom about the shirts.
No worries. I will send another email out this afternoon. I'm gonna write it down right now. Okay. I will send another one out the second that we are finished. Yes, Nat.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
It's okay. When you remember, just let me know. Okay, guys, our number is 36. So if you want to go ahead and write 36 down.
What? Down.
Awesome. Kyle is ready to roll. Okay. All right. So let's talk about if 36, well, actually, let's get our pencils and let's underline our tens place, and our ones place. So who is in our ones place? Show me with your fingers. 6, very good. 6 is in our ones place. So I put a line and then I put an O to show me that that's the ones. And then here are my 6 ones. Okay, then my tens place, show me with your fingers who's in my tens place. 3. And then I have my 3 tens. Okay, who can tell me if 36 is even or odd? Layla with an A?
Even.
Can you tell me why?
Because 6 is even.
Very good, and I love the way you explained that. The 6, because the 6 is in the ones place, okay? The 6 makes, if the 6 is even, an even number, it makes the whole number even. And who can tell me all my even numbers? Layla, tell me my even numbers. Layla with an A.
0,
Uh-huh.
2,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Yep.
6,
Yep. One more.
8.
Yes, ma'am. So we need to color in even because he is even. And Kyle's ready. Man, Kyle's like on top of it, like ready to roll. All right. 36. Let's color 36 in our hundreds chart. And then let's put 36 in the square. Artur, what's for breakfast? Pop-Tarts? Waffles? Scrambled eggs? Bacon? What's for breakfast? Artur, you gotta tell me what's for breakfast.
Waffles and eggs.
Your mom makes you scrambled eggs? Don't tell my kids that because my kids will want scrambled eggs in every morning. I say, here's a granola bar. That's what I go, here's a granola bar. Your mom is nice. You got waffles and eggs. I'm jealous. I'm jealous, Arturo. I'm jealous. That's awesome. Okay, 36. Okay, here are my base 10 blocks, okay? And these long sticks are worth what? Ooh, look at Layla with an E. She goes like this. They're worth 10. So we're going to skip count. This is going to be 10, 20, 30. And then my ones are just worth 1. So I was at 30. This is going to be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Kyle, if I take 1 away, can you tell me what it would be?
But I had green eggs and ham before.
Did you really? Like green eggs?
And ham.
That's pretty cool. Okay, now can you tell me what's 1? If I take one away, what would I get?
8, 9.
If I take 1 away, I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
5.
So minus 1 is 35. Okay, Fallon, if I give 1, if I add 1 or if I plus 1, what will my number then be? So Fallon, if I add 1 more, how many will I have? Let's count. We have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So when I add 1 more, it's 37. Okay, Heather, will you help me out? If I add a 10, what will my number be? Unmute yourself, Heather, really quick. I can, go ahead.
40.
46, 46. When we plus a 10, we got 46. Okay. Now, Nat, if I take a 10 away, so I take the 10 away, what will I be left with?
Count down.
26.
Very good, 26. Okay. Rahan, can you tell me who's in my ones place?
6.
Yep. Rahan, can you now tell me who's in my tens place?
3.
Yep. Layton, can you tell me what I will draw?
What?
How many tens will I draw, Layton?
3.
Very good. I'm going to draw 3 tens. I'm going to draw 3 sticks. Very good. Because a stick represents a 10. Erin, can you tell me how many ones I'll draw?
Alright, got that on. Six.
Very good. I'm going to draw 6. Okay, who's going to help me spell them? All right, Nathan, you're up. You got to help me, okay? Because I'm not very good at spelling, so I'm going to need you to help me.
T.
Okay, T.
H.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Mm-hmm.
R T Y S E I
You're okay.
X.
36. When you're ready, thumbs up like Kyle has. Okay, awesome. Heather's ready. Fallon's ready. Rahan's ready. Okay. So we're not going to do the ways to make it because I want to show you guys what you will be seeing today. So do y'all remember when we took the map test? So I need all your eyes on me. Okay. Do y'all remember when we took our map test? Okay. Today, you're not doing anything like that, okay? But you are going to be doing some questions that you do on your own. So no one can help you, okay? And I want to show you what those questions look like because it kind of looks a little tricky, but I think you guys can handle it. So I'm going to just minimize the screen really quick and show you. So when you go into Schoology, okay, and you go into our week like you normally do, and you go into Wednesday, you're gonna see math. Thumbs up if you see my math folder. Okay, when you click it, you do have a lesson, but you're not doing anything, you're just watching the lesson, okay? But then what it's gonna have you do is there are 3 tasks that you have to do on your own. So I'm gonna show you. The first one is subitizing cards, which means they're just gonna flash a card in front of you and flash it down and you just tell me how many you saw. Raise your hand if you're like, I can do that. Okay, that's all you have to do, okay? So I wanna show you because it looks a little tricky, okay? So when you see the folder, it looks like this. So you'll start with card, it doesn't matter what card you start with. You pick whatever card. So when you click it, it looks a little different. You see how that kind of looks a little, it looks a little different, right? So you click the play button. Okay, don't say anything out loud, okay? So then you're wanting to sit here and try to, you're thinking, oh, I gotta click this right here, right? You're thinking, oh, I need to click right here, right? You don't. You go to your submission box and you just tell me how many you saw. It just looks a little different because the district made it for us. And so if you are submitting on an iPad, you'll click the plus button. If you're submitting on a computer, you'll click the microphone. So they're just trying to help you, but that's all you have to do is tell me how many dots you saw on the card. And you have to do it. Don't let your parents help you, okay? You do it. But does that seem easy? Right? That doesn't seem like it would take very long, right? Okay, that seems pretty easy, right? Okay, there's 4 cards like that, okay? Then you'll have one more thing, which is data collection, and it's our graphing, okay? So what you're gonna see is you're gonna have a graph I'm going to pull it up for you. So sorry, I should have, but you're gonna have a graph and you're gonna get to click and drag the sports balls into an organized group like we did with our data. Oh no, so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm very sorry, should have had this.
I can't see the screen.
Right, I turned it off so that I could find. But it's going to be a Google form like you've normally done, and you're going to click and drag all of the sports balls into a folder, just to an area. That's all you have to do, and I will make sure that I get that loaded. Then look, this is the second question. The second question looks kind of the same. They want you to answer these 3 questions, and all you have to do is speak into the mic. So if you're on an iPad, you'll click the blue sign, plus sign, and if you're on a computer, you'll click the microphone, and she will read you the question if you click over the little microphone piece. But again, it's up to you guys, okay? And they're really easy. We've been doing it all week, so it's okay. It's nothing like the math test, but that's all that you have for the math, okay? So that's how I check to see how you guys have been doing. That makes sense. Question?
Yes. What happens if the microphone doesn't work? Because it doesn't usually work on ours.
And I asked them that the same question because I've been telling them the issues that we had. They have said to open Schoology using Chrome, and to go, instead of going through the app, use the Chrome. And they said they fixed it that way. If it does not work, you can send it to me like you normally have, because I want to make this easy. So they say if you open Schoology in Chrome, it should work. If it doesn't, just you can send it to me the normal way. I'll still do it. Thank you. I'm sorry about that. They should have. I'm sorry. No, I'm very sorry. But that's what your math looks like. It shouldn't take y'all long, okay? Yes, Layla, with an A.
Well, my mom kind of like said that it was time.
That it was what?
Was time.
It's not timed. It's not. You take your time. It's almost as if you were in class and I would be asking you the same questions. I would say, hey, what's this number? And that's all you have to do is tell me, okay? And so I will put that up. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen with you one more time. Uh-oh. Okay, I need you to stand up and do 4 jumping jacks. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aaron, you're not doing your jumping jacks. 9, 10, 11, 25. Okay. Okay. Raise your hand if you have heard this book before. Don't you just love it? I love this book. Now, don't worry. I'm not going to read it to you over Zoom because I know Nathan's looking at me like I'm bored already. Right, Nathan? Do you have a question? Tell me your question.
Where are we gonna do ways to make it?
Because I wanted to show you guys what y'all are going to do today for math.
Okay.
Layla with an E.
My mom is after the scoring. My mom is gonna buy me an iPad.
Oh, jealous. Oh, Arturo's got the kissing hand. Lucas, yes, you have a question?
I have this book.
You do? I love this book. So what you're going to do in writing today, okay, is you're going to listen to me read the story, okay? But before we do the story, we are going to fill out something, okay? Now, you don't have to fill anything out, but you're going to help me. You'll fill it out on your own when it comes to writing because I know that I write faster. So you'll just recopy it when you see it, okay? So we're going to be working on writing and learning how to write using the kissing hand to help us, okay?
I already did that last time.
Okay, so
That was yesterday's assignment.
this was yesterday's assignment?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, problem and solution. So sorry. So sorry. Problem and solution. So sorry. So we're going to figure out what the problem was and what the solution was. Who can tell me what the problem? Yeah, so y'all heard the story of the kissing hand, right? I'm so sorry. So sorry. Lucas, what was the problem?
You got your pencils
The
too?
little raccoon don't want to go to school.
You're right. The little raccoon, he did not want to go to school. So I'm going to write exactly what you told me to. The little raccoon. Who can spell raccoon? Nathan, help me.
D
Mm-hmm.
U N.
It's C-C-O-O-N. Look, I had to look it up in the book because. All right, so the little raccoon, okay? He did not want to go to school. Why didn't he want to go to school?
Because he didn't want to miss his mom.
Raise your hand if you've ever felt that way. Where you didn't want to go to school because you don't want to miss your mom. I'm the same way. What did his mom, what was the solution? How did they fix the problem? Aubrey, how did they fix the problem?
His mom gave him a kiss.
His mom gave him a kiss on the hand and told him to what?
Go to school.
Go to school. And if he was ever sad, what could he look at?
The heart on his hand.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now you do not have to write this all down, okay? Because I know that it takes us a long time. So if you want to wait, if you're writing it down right now, awesome. But I'll also take a picture of it. I'll take a picture of it right now and I'll put it on Schoology so that you can see. But in writing, we were trying to find the problem and solution because when we start to write, you always have to have a problem and a solution in your writing. You always have to know both of them. So we have to be thinking. So just like the kissing hand, okay, he had a problem. He didn't want to go to school. He was going to miss his mom. So to make him feel better, she gave him a kiss on the hand and said, anytime that you're sad, you would just put that kiss on top and remember that I'm always with you. What did she say about when he washed his hands at lunch? What did he say? Arturo, what did he say? What did they say when they said when you washed his hands at lunch?
I don't know.
I like that you're honest. Aaron, what did they say?
You do not leave it because it's very sticky.
Because even if he washed his hands, it would still be there, right? Okay, so for writing, because this is your writing lesson, all you have to do is take a picture. So I've just copied this down if you haven't done so already. Take a picture and put it into Schoology. That's all you have to do for writing. We just wanted y'all to understand what problem and solution were. Thumbs up if that sounds okay. And if you wrote it on a piece of notebook paper, perfect. Perfect. Write it on a piece of notebook paper. But that's all you have to do for writing is just take a picture and submit it into Schoology because we talked about it together. So look, writing is done. Math is easy. You don't have a RAS Kids assignment. Nat, that's good. If you'll just take a picture and submit it for me, that would be fantastic. I greatly appreciate it. RAS Kids, you don't have a RAS Kids today because of the math. I want to make sure that you're okay on the math. And I want you to read some of those cool books that are on the virtual library. And then you'll see social studies is not posted yet until after the Zoom.
Miss
Okay.
Kraut,
Yes.
are we allowed to leave now?
Yes. If you are finished, remember, so take a picture of your problem and solution, and I will see you back at noon, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Bye.
Wait, I'm not done yet.
Okay, I can leave it there so you can finish it.
Miss Kraut. Bye.
If you
I'm
finished
not
it,
done yet.
you're more than welcome to leave, and I will see you guys at noon.
Miss Kraut.
Bye,
Miss Kraut.
Lucas.
Bye, Miss
Yes.
Kraut. I'm not done.
Okay, I'll leave it up here.
Miss Kraut.
Yes, Miles.
Is it on? It's on. I'm not finished yet.
I'm gonna leave it up here, and I won't go anywhere. Yes,
Miss
Ada.
Kraut. I already did some of it.
Okay, so you'll need to take
I
a
did the
picture.
seg.
So you'll need to take a picture and submit it into Schoology.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yes, Arturo.
Today is my mom's birthday.
Oh, are y'all gonna do something
Make sure
fun?
you do your period and finish your H.
Okay, when you're finished, you can log off, and I'll see you at noon. If you still need time, don't worry. Take your time.
And you do your period.
Bye.
Nathan, you need to take a picture and submit it into Schoology. Bye, Arturo.
Bye. Bye. It is.
No, maybe right. Okay, tell her about yourself. Talk to her.
So if you're done writing, all you have to do is take a picture and submit it into Schoology.
Good deal. Good job.
Good job, Miles. So take a picture for me, okay? And submit it into Schoology.
Tell her you'll see her at noon.
I'll see you at noon.
Awesome.
I see you at noon.
Bye. If you're still writing, just take your time. If you're not, you can leave the chat. No big deal. Fallon, if you're finished, you can just take a picture and submit it into Schoology, okay?
Bye.
Bye, Rahan. I'll see you today at noon. When you're finished, just take a picture and submit it into Schoology, and you can leave the chat, and I will see you guys at noon.
Bye, Miss Crouch.
Hi, Aubrey. I'll see you at noon today, okay? I'm going to go in and fix that writing on the Schoology. Bye, Layla. Erin, are you almost done? All right, so there'll be a picture on Schoology. So if y'all need to finish copying it, you can copy it there. Okay, so I'll see you guys at noon. All right. Okay, so I'll see y'all at noon. So you can find the picture in Schoology if you still need to copy it. Then take a picture when you're finished, all right? Okay, I'll see y'all at noon.